Hi everybody, welcome back on my channel. Rosebanzon here from travelbook.ph, and for today's video we are going to do this look. So I've been wanting to give you like makeup tutorial this past few days because I've been out for almost like weeks now. Like working is like really hard to focus on work and also to focus to all of you, but I've been doing my best to post content for all of you, my lovies. So right now I've done this look. Like this is supposed to be an office kind of look, and I like to wear this kind of look on office, but because my duty was 6 a.m. I can't do an eye makeup every single time, so I always go for like foundation, then powder, then lipstick, then blush on, then that's it. Sometimes I don't wear like key-eye or eyebrow. I don't know, I just don't have that time to do this kind of look. But right now, if I have like different time, I will really go for this. So this is my office kind of look makeup tutorial. So if you like this look and if you want to know more about getting to this kind of look, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the primer that I use is Olay Total Effect 7-in-1 Instant Smoothing Serum. So I use it to also smoothen my face and also gives you the coverage that you want on your foundation. Also, it prepares your face to a foundation that will stick to your face later. So what we are going to use on our foundation is very full coverage. So we want to stick it all to our face because we are going to work for like 9 hours. So we are going to put this one on our face right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to put my foundation. So what I am going to use is this Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. You know that I love this one because it gives me the full coverage that I want, and also it gives me that glow on my face. Also, it is one of the few foundation that has my perfect shade. So this is the foundation that I always wear this past few days. I really loved it. So we are going to pump some of it on the back of my hand. Just 2 pumps, and we're going to spread it all over our face. We are going to brush this foundation onto our face. So I'm going to finish my brows and I'll be right back. Right now we are going to use this blush from Deborah. So I used blush to contour my face. I don't know if it's weird to all of you, but I like putting my blush on the side of my face where I put my contour or my bronzer. So I just like to focus it on this side, going up to your ears, just to give you that kind of contour. Because this blush is too light for me, so I can't really use it as my blush since I have a brown skin. So, but as you can see, it gives me that kind of contour effect. So it's good. So with my eyeshadow, I like to focus my eyeshadow on the outer corners since I want some depth and also to look like it was open. You know what I mean? Like my eyes was a little bit boring and not that big. So I want my eyes to look like it was open and also like gives light to all the people who saw it. So we are going to use this shade like maroon kind of shade, brown like maroon. So we are just going to focus it on the outer corner to our crease. Just focus it all over you. Then we are going to get this shade to brush it up. Just to blend the color that we put earlier, because you want it to get blended nicely to look like it's done by a professional. So I'm not a professional, I just like putting makeup, as you all know. I just love makeup. Like, makeup can also emphasize your eyes, your lips. I love makeup. Like, I don't want girls to put a lot of makeup, but if that's what you like, if that's what you're comfortable to, then do it, because it's all for you as well. Being beautiful every single day is for you. I'm not saying that you're not beautiful every single day, but also you want to look professional, and also you want it to look like extra every single day. You know what I mean? So I just love putting makeup. On the half of my lid, I'm going to give it some glow, so I'm going to put this shade. This is the palette that I bought in Taiwan, so I really love this. I'm going to get this shade and I'm going to focus it here, just to give some shimmer on our lid. From the inner corner to the half of our lid, just going to apply it all over that. So on the bottom, we are going to put all the shades or the eyeshadow that we put on our lid. So here, the dark maroon, we are just going to focus it on the outer corner, just to connect it on the eyeshadow that we put. And then on the inner corner, we are going to put some shimmer. Inner corner, we are going to put this white shimmer on this palette. This is like extra shimmery, and I really loved it. I love shimmer, but sometimes when I use this as a highlight, it's really like emphasize my pores, and I don't like that. But I really liked it on the inner corner, just to give that kind of glow. Look at that! This is what I wear on office. I don't know what I just love makeup. I like putting makeup. And then for the highlight, as you all know, I like putting highlight on my face. So I'm going to use this as well. I'm going to mix this to the white one and the pink one, and not the pink one, like a peach kind of eyeshadow. Just going to put it all over here, just to give that kind of glow. Boom, bang! I loved it. Do you see that? This is highlight blinding. I love highlight. Just going to put it all over here, and in the middle of the nose, and on the cupid's bow. And then onto our lips, we are going to use, like what I used earlier, this Maybelline Color Show True Toffee. We're just going to put it on our lips. We're just going to add like just a little bit of it. And then we are going to use my NYX Copenhagen liquid lipstick. So this is the shade. We are just going to put it on the bottom, on the middle of our lips, like a Korean. So I love like doing Korean look this past few days. And then tap it. Since I don't like these lipsticks, I'm going to turn it to like bushy ass lipstick. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I've been doing like vlog this past few days, but I wanted to give you like makeup tutorial. I can't afford to travel right now, but after like months I will give you like travel vlog. But right now I don't have like capability to travel. If I will be given a chance to travel, of course I will travel, but right now that I don't have like money to travel and to also time to travel, but hopefully one day next month, next year, or next month, I will be traveling not just here in the Philippines but also outside of our country, Philippines. So I'm planning to go to Indonesia for Bali, or on BKK or Bangkok. I've been loving Bangkok this past few days, so I wanted to visit Bangkok or Vietnam. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, please hit the notification bell so you get updated on my latest upload. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because we're already 200. We are aiming for 300 right now, so I wanted to go for 300, then we will go to 500 and 1000. I really want 1000 subscribers, but of course we have to work for it and to post a lot of content to aim a good goal. So if you like this video, just comment down below your favorite part, or if you like this look, or if you have any suggestion, makeup look or videos that you wanted me to do, then go just comment down below. So also follow me on my Instagram, rosebanzon, Twitter, rosebanzond, Snapchat, rosebanzon. Visit my blog, www.myplaintwist.blogspot, www.myplaintwist.com. I always say blogspot because before I was in Blogspot, but right now it's www.myplaintwist.com. So yeah, that's it. I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next video. Bye guys! Bye!
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive.